What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to run HTML files using Visual Studio Code. VS Code is a fantastic tool for web development, and running HTML files directly from the editor can save you time and improve your workflow. First, we need to make sure we have the right extension installed to view our HTML files in a browser. The extension we'll use is called Open in Browser. To install it, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-X to open the extensions marketplace. In the search bar, type Open in Browser and hit Enter. Find the extension and click Install. This extension will allow us to quickly open HTML files in our default web browser. Once the extension is installed, we can create or open an HTML file. To create a new file, click File in the top left corner of the window and then select New File. Then, save it as index.html or any other name by clicking File, Save As, and typing in the name with the HTML extension. You can also import an existing HTML file by clicking File, Open, and locating the file on your system. Now, with the HTML file open in VS Code, right-click anywhere inside the editor and select Open in Default Browser from the context menu. This will launch your HTML file in your default browser, allowing you to preview your web page live. If you want to open the file in a different browser, you can right-click and choose Open in Other Browsers to select a specific browser. This method makes it really easy to test and preview your HTML files without leaving VS Code. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.